Unraveling the Mystery, Open and Shut Case, explained. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that often pops up in conversations, stories, and even TV shows about crime and law: open and shut case. If you've ever wondered what it means and how you can use it in your everyday English, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the mystery together. An open and shut case refers to a situation or problem that is easy to prove or solve. It's often used in legal contexts to describe a case where the evidence is so clear that there is no doubt about the outcome. But it's not just for detectives and lawyers. You can use this phrase in any scenario where the solution or answer is straightforward and undeniable. Let's dissect the phrase a bit. Why open and shut? Think of it like opening a book, immediately finding what you were looking for, and then shutting it because you don't need to search any further. It's that quick and simple. The phrase beautifully captures the essence of something being straightforward without the need for long explanations or investigations. Now, how can you weave this phrase into your daily conversations? Here are a few examples. In debates or discussions, given the clear evidence, it's an open and shut case that recycling benefits the environment. In decision-making, choosing the right software for our project was an open and shut case once we saw the reviews. In casual observations, after seeing the final score, the game was an open and shut case. These examples show that while the phrase originates from legal jargon, its usage has broadened to various contexts where clarity and decisiveness are involved. For English language learners, incorporating phrases like open and shut case into your vocabulary can make your English sound more natural and nuanced. Here are some tips. Listen for context. Pay attention to how native speakers use this phrase in different situations. Practice makes perfect. Try using open and shut case in your sentences, especially when discussing clear-cut decisions or opinions. Keep it appropriate. Remember, this phrase works best in situations where the outcome is unmistakably clear. And there you have it, an open and shut case on understanding and using this interesting phrase in English. We hope this video has shed light on how expressive and colorful the English language can be. Keep exploring and incorporating new phrases into your vocabulary, and your fluency will surely soar. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to helping you navigate the exciting world of English in our next video.